it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And if you're like me, you're tired of paying, well, this thing here, way too much for Apple branded things. I want to get that. I want the iPods or the AirPods, which is good. I'll buy those, and I'll buy, whatever the Apple phone. I'm not just showing you the case because the phone's up there. But with the, you got to have the MagSafe, stuff like that. But with MagSafe chargers, holy moly. It's expensive, even for these wires. The wire is going to cost you like $30 or something for just the lightning wire. But the MagSafe chargers are so expensive. But check out what I got here. I have a generic version of the magnetic charger, and I only am showing you this now because I'm using the phone for recording this. But let's check out what this has in it. And look at this. So this here is the MagSafe charger, and this is the box, empty now. I dumped everything out. And here's, they're pretty simple to use. You basically connect it up and it goes. But this is kind of the instructions here if you want to pause it and zoom in if you need anything on it. But wow, there's so many words for such a simple concept. But this is what it looks like inside of it. It came with this. What did I do? I don't know. Did I drop it? Oh, this thing fell out. Okay, well so it comes with a USB to USB-C adapter, which is nice. So I may use this in my car or something like that. And the car chargers only seem to have the USB. But if you have a USB-C right here, like this kind of plug, you can just use that. But it's kind of cool. It's a nice gray one. The other ones I have have all been white. So this is kind of nice. It'll actually match the car a little nicer. And so this is what it looks like here. And then you would plug it into the charger here and into there, or into this, and then into well, I'll show you here in a second. I'll do that. But well, actually I won't, because I have the phone I'm using to record. But then this will connect up to the case, and you see it gets a really nice tight grip on there. The magnet is super strong, which is nice, what you want. I even have a little strap on it, and if I do it over the strap, it's still gonna stay connected, which is nice. So this is a really cool one. I like it. This is the one here. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is. I'm not gonna be able to see it with my sunglasses, but you get the idea. This is it here. You can pick one up from like Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can get one for yourselves. But I really like it. Thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And this is what it looks like here. And it's really cool. It's a nice little gray one. It's got some words all over it explaining it. But that's it. So thumbs up from me. I like it. And I'll be connecting it up to my phone. I actually had it connected earlier, so I do know how it works because I was using it. And then I wrapped it all back up again to unbox it again for y'all. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.